You know what? Cricut decided to bring some of their mystery boxes back, and I went a little bit overboard. I went and found some of the ones that I had not purchased, and I went and found ones that I knew had a little friend inside. These guys over here were too excited. They couldn't even stand over here with the other friends. They were just like, no, no, we're going to be over here waiting for you to unbox these. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. You see I'm wearing my little Christmas tree on my headband. It's because Christmas is right around the corner, and I'm getting ready for my live tutorial, which is coming up in a couple of days. So depending on when you're watching this video, hopefully you'll be able to join me on Monday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I think the date will be November 21st. I'm not sure, but just double check in 2 days. Okay, so let's go ahead and start unboxing these. We're going to unbox all 4 of these at one time. Now, before I do that, let me just say, how do you get a Cricut mystery box? Let me tell you, you have to go to the Cricut website, and for most of them that have a little friend inside, you have to be a Cricut Access member. There was a time when I first started crafting, if you look at some of my older videos, I was not a Cricut Access member. And I decided to just give it a try. I did a free 30-day trial and I just loved it. And so I haven't canceled it. I don't plan to cancel it. I do think it's worth the monthly fee. I will leave a link below for you to check out Cricut Access and see if there are some of these mystery boxes still left. Because I'm sure that when we meet our new friends, you're going to be interested if you haven't been previously. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started and I will unbox these. I'll start with this one. Can I move you? Okay, thank you. You just stand right here. You still close? Calm down. My goodness. Oh my goodness. They get so rambunctious. I will say a shout out to Ozella. She is one of the ladies in my Facebook group, and I'm not only going to give her a shout out, but I am going to blame her for my shopping, because if she had not told me about these mystery boxes, I wouldn't have known that Cricut brought them back. So thanks, Ozella. Thank you. Okay. All right. Now, you may have already seen these mystery boxes be unboxed on a, sorry. See, that's your fault, because really you should have been over here. If you had been over here, that wouldn't happen. Ooh, fancy. I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, you may have already seen these unboxed previously, because I didn't purchase these. These are older boxes that they still had some in stock. So there are infusible ink pens. Let me see which box this is. This is the, I didn't even tell you which one I'm opening. Box number 1 is called Sailor's Delight. That's fancy. Sailor's Delight. Okay, so there are infusible ink pens. This is the 0.4 neon markers. This is Cricut glitter iron-on. It is 1 sheet in here. The one on the front tells you how many sheets are inside, and then it tells you the size in inches and centimeters. So it's 12 by 19. So 1 sheet that is 12 by 19. I love Cricut glitter iron-on. This is Sports Flex. 1 sheet, and this is 11 by 24. Okay, this is, and now when I was looking through the boxes, this is just a matter of personal preference. I found the boxes that had mostly iron-on vinyl, which is the same thing as heat transfer vinyl. I do like Cricut's heat transfer vinyl or iron-on vinyl. This is everyday iron-on mesh, 1 sheet, 12 by 24. So this is 2 feet. This is Cricut foil iron-on, 1 sheet, also 2 feet. And this is a very pretty color. This is royal blue. And because I'm unboxing 4 of them, I'm not going to open the packages. We have a friend in here. We're going to open him last. This is strong grip transfer tape. You need this if you are using some of the adhesive foil. Okay. Let's see what this one is. Everyday iron-on, 1 sheet, 12 by 24, navy. Goes along with the Sailor's Delight theme. This is premium vinyl shimmer, 1 sheet, 4 feet. It's 12 by 48. And this is Everyday Iron-On Gold, 1 sheet, 2 feet long. Okay, so that was everything from Sailor's Delight. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rolls of Everyday Iron-On. Excellent. 1 package of infusible ink pens, 1 roll of strong grip transfer tape, and 1 roll of premium vinyl. So once again, I prefer Everyday Iron-On, which is the same thing as heat transfer vinyl. I'm going to just put this to the side for now, so I don't mix it in with the other boxes. We'll put him over here. We'll put him over here with them. Okay. Move you guys down right here. You cooperate, because you're doing too much. Y'all stand over here for now. All right. I kind of went a little bit overboard, but not really. Not really. Because there were, I think, 7 boxes available, and I only got 4. So, really, I did pretty good. I mean, if I'm saying for myself, I think I did all right. Ooh, fancy. Let me see what box this is. This is the, what is this one called? Ray of Sunshine. Ray of Sunshine. We have a friend in the box. Ray of Sunshine. We'll put Sailor's Delight and Ray of Sunshine. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, this is 1 roll of premium vinyl, maize yellow. This is 1 roll of premium vinyl. This color is melon. It doesn't look like melon, but they say it's melon. This is 1 roll of Everyday Iron-On mesh. I have done a tutorial on how to use the mesh vinyl, and I love this stuff. It is fantastic. I will make sure to link it below this video so you can check it out, because I know you're going to love it. This is adhesive foil, 1 roll, 12 by 48. This is metallic iron-on. I have another sheet of this. I have not used it yet. It's gold, 1 sheet, 12 by 24. This is glitter iron-on. Ooh. This is fluorescent orange, 1 sheet, 12 by 48. This is Martha Stewart. I feel like I should say it like this, Martha Stewart. 1 roll gold premium vinyl, 12 by 48. And this is Everyday Iron-On yellow, 1 roll, 2 feet long. So it's 12 by 24. And it also has fine point set of tapestry pins. Okay, so I have another set of pins. All right, so let's see. We got 1 set of pins. I'll put it here. And we have, that's premium vinyl. This is iron-on. This is permanent premium, same thing, permanent. This is adhesive foil, goes with this set. This is iron-on, iron-on, iron-on. Okay, so we have 4 rolls of premium vinyl, 4 rolls of what is considered as iron-on vinyl, and we have a friend in the, what box was this? Ray of Sunshine. Okay, that smile was for you. All right, so we have 2 boxes. We are trudging along. Can y'all just stand right here? Y'all can face this way. What about that? I knew you would be following him, because y'all have to be together. That's why I have to keep y'all separated, because y'all make so much noise. Ooh. Now, this one is making me smile. This is the Berry Blast mystery box. So if you don't check out any of the other ones, before I even take this stuff out, I can tell you this one is amazing. I don't even know why I didn't get it the first time. This stuff is amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's a weeder, a Cricut weeder. There's a, now this friend might have had a hard journey. Look at the box. Wait a minute, we'll just lay it down like that. Okay, this is holographic vinyl, one roll, one sheet, 12 by 48. This is very pretty, very, very pretty. This is infusible ink that I love. I know I have some of this already, but it does not hurt to have more. Premium vinyl, one sheet, 12 by 48, and it's called Fuchsia. This is everyday iron-on 12 by 24, so more of the mesh, but it's in a raspberry color. Now this is going to be very pretty. I'm excited about this one. Foil iron-on red. Red is my favorite color. I'm loving this box. This is Sport Flex iron-on. It's called Metallic Rose Gold. I don't know why I didn't get this box. What was I thinking? I probably wasn't thinking. This is Cricut Everyday Iron-On Cherry, one sheet, 12 by 24, and one roll of tomato red glossy permanent vinyl, okay? And this is 12 by 48. This is a nice box. So far of the three that I've unboxed, this one is my favorite. So there are 2 rolls of what is considered as permanent or premium vinyl, and then 6 rolls of what will be used with the heat source, 5 plus this infusible ink, everyday iron-on. The infusible ink, it works just like sublimation. So if you don't have a sublimation printer, you don't have to worry about it because the ink is in this box. That's the good thing about infusible ink. I'll make sure to leave my whole infusible ink playlist listed below this video because you will be blown away. I'm already blown away and I made this stuff. So crazy. Okay, so I love all of these. I love these. Like, look at these pretty colors. And I know this box, when I last checked, this box was still available. Oh my gosh, now I gotta, you know what? This morning my husband referred to our house as Delonda's warehouse. I didn't think it was funny, but I'm starting to think it's true. Okay, so the last one, this is the Aloha mystery box. I have been to Hawaii one time. We had a lot of fun. We did parasailing and jet skis. I didn't enjoy that. I don't like that water getting in my mouth, but we had a good time. We were there for 7 or 8 days. We had a great time. If you're wondering about the shirt I'm wearing, I did not make this shirt. This shirt was made by one of the ladies in my Facebook group. Her name is Marilyn. So shout out to Marilyn. Thank you for making this and sending this to me. She says that I say I love it a lot. I haven't recognized that I say it a lot, but she thinks I do. So she made this for me. And she said, this is a good box too. This is a good box too. This friend had a nice ride. This one, I don't know. Okay, this box is Aloha. These are glitter gel pens. I do not have any of these. Believe it or not, there are some things I don't have. Yes, true. All right, these are infusible ink pens. So another box with a set of these pens. All right, this is Kelly green premium vinyl. This one will stand up. This is Sport Flex iron-on, and it is what color? It does not say the color on the front, but it looks like orange. Okay, looks like orange. All right, this is premium vinyl tropical sampler. So there are 6 sheets in here, and each sheet is 12 by 12. This is removable vinyl. So this is, something you might use on like a phone case, or if you wanted to label like plastic containers or something like that. This is also premium vinyl, 1 sheet of pink pearl, 12 by 48. This is every foil iron-on, 1 sheet, 12 by 24, and it is royal blue, very pretty. This is 1 sheet of light blue, 12 by 48 permanent vinyl, so also another roll of permanent vinyl. And this is premium vinyl, 1 sheet of fuchsia, 12 by 48. Okay, so this one has more permanent vinyl that than I like to have. I don't really use a lot of their permanent vinyl. This is just also a matter of personal preference. Okay, so they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rolls of permanent vinyl in this box and 2 of everyday iron-on. Then this package of glitter gel pens and 1 package of infusible ink pens. All right, so also a good box. That was the Aloha box. All right, so let's get our friends ready to meet their friends. Y'all ready? I know y'all are. Y'all. Okay, we'll start with Sailor's Delight. It tells you on the back the color of the friend. This one is True Navy. Calm down, calm down. He's not trying to replace you. Okay, put him right here because we're going to learn to get along. I know y'all get so excited. Ooh, look how cute. Look how cute. Yes, he almost looks like you. Y'all could be cousins. Y'all could be cousins. Look at them together. Okay. All right, let's see what this one. It's your fault. You should have been over here anyway. Okay, let's turn around. Y'all want to just be facing this way? Okay. You have a little, everybody has a doppelganger, okay? They're not just twins, they're doppelgangers. This one is called Golden, okay? He's cute. He looks like this one over here. All right, y'all want to stand close to each other? Okay. Y'all can just stand like that. They can be twins. I have twins, and they look just alike, and they don't think they do. All right, that one was from I forgot, Ray of Sunshine. Ray of Sunshine. How could I forget? This one is Rose Pink. So you already know it's going to be so cute. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. This one would have been a cute one for an Easter box. Oh my goodness. You want to stand next to your new friend? Look at y'all looking alike. Y'all better be looking alike. Okay. And one more. This one is called Peacock. And this one is from the Aloha. You better be cute. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you can just stand with them. Y'all all just want to stand together. Now we have 20 friends here, and I'm excited to welcome them into the group. I'm sure they will do some kind of thing to welcome the others here also. Now, if you enjoyed this little unboxing or unboxings, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now remember, in order to get one of these, you will have to click on the link below. It will take you to the Cricut website where you can try out Cricut Access because you have to be an Access member. These are considered as Access exclusives, okay? And you can check the link and see which boxes are still available. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.